They glide through the clouds, silent and unseen, but their stories echo through the centuries. Some say they bring fire. Others say they bring fate. Whether it's the thunderous roar of the rock or the healing song of the Simurgh, every tale tells a secret. Soaring high above the world, these majestic creatures carry more than just their own stories in their feathers. They carry ours, the hopes, the dreams, and the fears of those who believe in them. From ancient deserts to icy mountain peaks, magical birds have soared across every myth and every culture. At Magical Birds, we bring these forgotten wings back to life. Subscribe now and let the legends take flight once more. Like, share, and subscribe. Please.